Hi guys, this is Arjita. Welcome to today's card video. I have used the white intricate die cut pieces for today's card, and I am trying to adhere the three pieces on top of each other so as to have a nice thick chipboard kind of a piece. This is one of my favorite ways when it comes to these delicate dies, because otherwise they are really delicate and might just rip off. So I'm using my on point glue to adhere these three layers, which is so easy as the glue is in the right consistency and gives us enough time to move the tiny little pieces and to fix them perfectly. So once this was done, I allowed it to dry a bit, and now comes the hero of the video and the card, which is the beautiful embossing powder in sparkle. I'm using Versamark clear ink to do the stamping, and then I'll pour this beautiful sparkle embossing powder on top of it. So now I'm just shaking off the excess, and we are ready to heat set it. So the moment the heat hits it, the sparkle you get is unbelievable. This is so perfect for wedding cards, wedding envelopes, invitations, and maybe some table placement cards and all those kind of things. So you can just jazz up any of your delicate die cuts and jazz it up with the embossing sparkle powder. So I used a little piece of red cardstock behind the big centerpiece, and it makes it more wedding like and pretty. I stamped my sentiment using a Versa fine black onyx ink, and I'm stamping and I'm just adhering it on top of the centerpiece using some double-sided tape. So this is a simple card, and you can absolutely achieve the same result every time. Mass production is super duper easy with this kind of a card, and do try the new range of embossing powders, and sparkle happens to be my favorite. This is a close-up shot for you, and I hope you enjoyed this super quick video. And if you did, please subscribe to our channel for more such videos and hit the like button. So see you soon. Bye bye, take care.